my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you, or rather just applying it on my face so you can see how important this is. It's actually a face wash that would help you to get rid of whiteheads, blackheads, all of those stuff on the nose. There's actually, sometimes it can be very irritating. Now this face wash is going to get rid of that, okay, and it's going to get rid of dark spots and pimples. Yeah, that is what has been helping me a whole lot. All right, so let's dive into the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video, and also share the video and like it. Alright, let's dive in. Needing Fuller's Earth Clay Powder. Now Fuller's Earth Clay Powder is an oil absorber, fairness and glow, fight acne and pimples, reduce scars, improve skin elasticity, and it also treats oily skin. It is a great remedy in removing dead skin, and it also removes blackheads, whiteheads, pimples. And then we're going to be needing to use lemon. Lemon is a skin brightener. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and as well as citric acid. It also great in antioxidant for neutralizing the free radicals that is damaging the skin. It helps to brighten up the skin. It also helps to glow the skin. It leaves the skin youthful and radiant. So I'm gonna also be making use of honey. Now honey is a great treatment in preventing aging. It is full with antioxidants. It's a great remedy in slowing down the aging process, and it also great in softening the skin, allowing product to get into your skin, and works really good. And then in this remedy we're gonna be making use of black soap. So here I have black African soap. Okay, you can actually order this online, yeah, and it is actually very good for this. Okay, so it's going to help us in achieving our aim for this face wash. Alright, so for the Fuller's Earth Clay Powder, we're going to be putting in 1 full tablespoon of that. We're also going to be putting in 1 full tablespoon of honey. Now you can put as much honey as you like, guys, because this face wash needs a lot of honey, okay, because honey moisturizes and you need your skin to be moisturized. Lemon into this. Okay, since I have half cut of my lemon, I'm going to be squeezing half cut of lemon into this. Now you don't necessarily need to strain this out because all of the particles are very important, but of course I'm not going to be putting too much of the lemon, okay, so it will make the consistency liquid. Now for the Fuller's Earth Clay Powder, you can actually order it online, and I'm going to be putting in the soap now. So that is the black soap. Okay, so now we're actually going to be mixing it up, and it depends on the consistency. We are going to be putting more honey, but if the consistency is okay, we're not going to be putting any more honey. Alright, so you have to be patient and mix this all up very well. You can either decide to make it more liquid than this Okay, so if you want to make it more liquid than that, you can add more of the lemon. It's going to be more effective, but of course you shouldn't add too much so that the face wash can actually still be foamy. Alright, now I'm going to be turning it into a jar. I'm going to rinse this up. So I'm going to turn this in. This is ready for usage. Alright, so here I have the face wash, and mine here is actually not too like liquid. Okay, this is how it is. You would have to grab this, and however you want to use it is it's just a soap. It's gonna be like a scrub, and you're just going to use that. You're just going to use that and apply onto your face. Oh my god, I love the smell of Fuller's Earth Clay powder. It smells really wonderful. No, you mustn't apply this as a mask just like I'm applying it. It's something you can just use it. Wash your face, your all over face. For me, I love my treatment to be much. Okay, I don't need to manage anything. It's actually natural, so I'm not managing nothing. After applying this, then you dip your hand inside water just like I did, and then you use that. You rub all over your face. Oops. Alright, so you leave it for like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, leave it for like 1 to 2 minutes. Let it just gonna give it that tingling feeling, but it's okay. Alright, not necessarily dry because it's obviously a soap. Okay, so after that, then you can wash it off. Now while you're leaving it for 2 minutes, it's just so that the soap can just get into your skin, and it just helps you to repair your skin. And then when you wash off, you are going to see a huge improvement. Okay, it's just going to help you so much. Like, it's going to remove all of the dirt, it's going to unclog all of your pores, and man, your skin is going to breathe. Okay, now when your skin breathes, you know that your skin is on the journey of glowness, brightness, and a younger skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll see ya. So that's it, guys. It's actually very simple, very foamy, and it smells good, and it's very healthy to the skin. It helps you to uproot all of those whiteheads and blackheads, and man, your skin is just going to be renewed because your pores is going to be cleaner when you use this face wash. Okay, so try it out and let me know how it is, because I'm so excited to know your results. Okay, so I'll see you soon in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and clean. Bye and cheers. Mwah.